So here I have actually smudged the pendants over this combination of hibiscus and juniper to cleanse, exercise, and bring blessing, which is like cleansing your item when you first get it, so then you can charge it to do something that you want. I very lightly touched them with the Astarte ritual oil that was just barely on my hands, and I would just very lightly touch each one as I was stringing them one at a time on this ribbon, so they'll stay here all night tonight to charge, and then I'll show you tomorrow how you can work with yours. Stay tuned.